Hello, welcome to this tutorial video. This will show you how to deploy QuTScloud on QNAP Virtualization Station. Go to QNAP Download Center and download the QuTScloud OVA image file. Extract the zip file and upload the OVA file to your NAS. Go to QNAP Virtualization Station and import VM. Select the VM spec. QuTScloud requires at least 2 GB of memory. Select the OVA file uploaded. Go to the VM settings and expand the HDD size. QuTScloud requires at least 48 GB of storage, but we recommend 200 GB of storage. After the VM started up, you can access QuTScloud by using the IP address displayed on the VM page. Click the Start Smart Installation button to initialize QuTScloud. You can find the tutorial in the description. Please subscribe to our channel to get more information about QNAP products. Thank you for watching.